And at last, within the while loop, within the body of while loop only, you write the updation statement at the end. A plus plus semicolon. Let's try it out. The output will still be the same. 2, 4, 6, 8 till 100, all even numbers. So the difference between for and while loop is basically for loop is used when the number of times you want the loop to run is known, and you use while loop when the number of times you use the while loop is unknown. You want to run that loop is unknown. Let's change it back from the comment. Now I'm gonna tell you about math class and math functions. Now these are simple arithmetic problems I told you about: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. In the next video I'll be showing you how to create a simple calculator. So calculator, what does calculator do? It not only adds, subtracts, multiplies and divides stuff, but it also finds the square root of a number, or or a square of a number. So for finding the square roots and squares and other powers, we use math class. So firstly we have to create a variable math square root. Don't think about it, don't be bothered about it. It's just a name. You can name it anything. Just to sound fancy, I named it square root. But make sure with math class you have to use double, not end. So be sure. Then you have to write math dot sqrt. And then just write down a number. I'm gonna write 25. Let's create a new class for this thing. It's getting confusing. Math test. Double wait. Public static void main string. Yeah, GS. Always make sure that you write down S in uppercase. Java is case sensitive language. That means it treats uppercase letters and lowercase letters differently. So go ahead and create a new variable square root equals math dot sqrt 25. Oops. Now it will print. We'll find out the square root 25 and store it in the square root. And just print it. And look what it returns. 5.0. the square root of 25. Let's change it to 100. 10. Let's change it to 625. 25. Let's change it to 576. 24. Let's change it to 676. 26. Let's change it to 110 and see. It not only finds square root of perfect squares, but it can find square root of any number except the negatives. You can make sure you never write a negative number within math.sqrt because it's gonna cause an exception. NaN exception. That's why exception occurs when the thing can be possible. Any equation, like if you write down system.out 10 over 0. Know that you can't divide a number by 0. See, exception by 0. You can't divide the number by 0. So I told you about the math class because you can use it in the loops to find perfect squares, and I'm gonna just show you how to do that. Let's go ahead and write down 0, semicolon, I less than, let's say 100, and I plus plus. Now I told you that you have to use only double with math class. You can use actually int also. Int root equals let's say math.com so to find the square root, just write down you have to typecast it int math.com and .sqrt actually I now just print it. Root. Now it will print out the square roots of all the numbers from 0 to 100 and integers. But if you want it in double, just change it to double and remove the typecasting, then run it. You can now see square root of 0 is 0.0, of 1 is 1, of 2 is 1.414 point something, and then 1.732 point something, then 2.0, and it goes like that. So in the next video I'll be showing you how to create a simple calculator. So please like, subscribe and share, and for any questions please comment below. Thanks for watching.